We're gonna go to play. Oh my god, then can I not even use it? It's unusable. You can't even use it. You can't use it. This video is sponsored by Squarespace. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm not looking for a camera that's expensive, cute, lightweight, or will bring me any type of decent image quality. I'm looking for the worst rated camera on the internet. And then I'm gonna use it to do a photo shoot with a professional model. Do we want a decent quality camera? Absolutely not. We're gonna throw that right in the trash. And then take it out after because it is kind of expensive and I need it and I use it for all my photo shoots. And also, so I don't get sued, just a disclaimer, I'm not claiming it's the worst rated camera, any certain brand. This is purely based off of user ratings and reviews. So please don't sue me. Please don't do it. Please, I gotta take care of my cat. She eats a lot these days. She has expensive taste. You really can't eat Meow Mix? First, we gotta find out what is the worst rated camera on the internet. Luckily for you guys, I have a lot of free time and no friends, so let's get started. I really have no life. I already went through 125 pages on Amazon and found one of the worst rated cameras. Literally 125 pages. So I introduced to you guys Vivitar 5.1 megapixel digital camera. Color and style may vary. I looked at the ratings versus the reviews, and this camera had the best, or in this case the worst of both worlds. We have 2.5 stars, 121 ratings. First appearances, okay, it's looking good. Pretty solid camera. Oh, okay, the screen's it's a little small. Some film photographers can't see anything, so I'm just gonna pretend I'm shooting in film. It has 5.1 megapixels. You wanna blow this up on a billboard? You can't. It's 5.1 megapixels. But you can use it to make a printout for Sally's birthday party and stick it on the fridge, probably. It holds over 100 images. That's very appealing to someone like me. Actually, it's funny because I'll shoot over like 900 pictures for one outfit sometimes. I need to work on that. Yeah, we've gotten to that point in our lives. Yeah, we definitely need to stop. We need to have a limit on those memory cards. 128, it's not healthy. Face detection. Oh, okay, that's very interesting. Shoots video clips. Okay, well, my life's not that exciting, so let me read some of the reviews. Let's see what the people are saying about this camera. One of the first reviews, virtually useless. I thought this was a cheap option to send with my kids to camp, and it was cheap, all right. My son tried to make good use of it, but the photos are terrible quality. And then when it got full, it just deleted everything. So now he doesn't have any of the pics he took. What do you mean that pictures got deleted? And you don't know how to take them off the camera? Okay, that's a little concerning. Let's go to the next one. This camera is crap, only holds 30 pictures. Quality of pictures is poor at best. Will never buy anything Vivitar again. What? So from what I'm reading, it seems like the camera doesn't take as many pictures as it's advertised. Oh no, it seems easy to use, but the pictures are not being saved. I read all the instructions and it's not working properly. I have lost some pictures I took without deleting them. You actually have to go through a process to delete. Don't know if the camera is defective or what's going on. Okay, am I gonna have pictures to show you guys at the end of this? Gave to my mom as an early Christmas present, so now I need to go buy her another one as this will not go in the kids' toy box. Disappointed. Someone's like, I had to return the same day. If you're returning this the same day, you must really not like it. So the people have spoken and they said they don't like it that much and they would never recommend it to anybody. So with that being said, I'm gonna buy it. The main thing that is concerning me is people saying that the photos get deleted and they're not able to get the photos off the camera. So I'm gonna have to check that out. When the camera comes in, I'll have to test it out and see what's going on. So the camera's been ordered. I'll see you guys when it comes in. Last we left off, I had just ordered the worst rated camera on the internet. And now it's come in. I have not opened this yet. I thought we could share this experience together. It comes in this vacuum sealed plastic packaging. We have this family in the background. We got the mom, the 2 daughters, and then we have the perfect husband here. Oh, I'm cutting the girl's head. I'm so sorry. All right, I'm sorry guys, this doesn't seem right. We're cutting off the top of his head right there. So now that we've kind of destroyed a family, we're gonna open this up. I'm gonna grab the camera. Here it is. Wow, it literally weighs nothing. Like, whoa, there's like a little notice here. What is this? Please do not return to store if you have any problem with this camera. Okay. Is that a warning sign? Why would they put this in the packaging? It says, if you have any questions, please call our technical support number. Oh, this is a little bit of foreshadowing, isn't it? I've owned a lot of cameras and I've never seen a message that says, don't return this to the store if you have issues with it. I'm gonna keep this number. We've got an image manager CD. Comes with the manual. This is a pretty thick manual here. Is it different languages? No. One language. Why is it so much? This is a lot. It's supposed to be an easy to use camera. Okay, there we go. Oh! Okay. Oh, wow. I plugged it in just to charge it and it's already working. Okay. If I place my hand right here, you can see it's kind of capturing that. But it's weird because I never turned it on. It just came on by itself. The play button responds pretty fast. So I press the menu button and it's like, yes, no. What do you mean? Okay. So do I press no? Do I press menu? I don't even know what that even does. And then I press menu again and then it gives me like this window. Can you guys see? Little screen. It has 3 stars. It has a camera icon. Is that a garbage? I don't even know. Do I press play to delete it? I don't know. It doesn't even say if it's deleting or not. This camera's $20, so you know I have to keep my expectations in check here. How do I turn? Okay, let me just turn this off. Does it turn off? Okay, it doesn't. It's not turning off. That's fine. We like a camera that never stops working. Just like our FBI agents when we're watching The Lion King on Netflix. So this is the front of the camera. And then on the top, we have the shutter button to take pictures. We have the on button to turn on the camera. So the bottom of the camera, you can put this on a tripod. It has an option for that. And then if you open this slot right here, you put in 3 AAA batteries. That's what it takes. And then it has a USB slot right here. The back of the camera has 2 arrow buttons so that you can go through photos. And then we have the menu button and then the play button. That's pretty much it. And there's a speaker, I guess, for it to look at video clips and stuff. And that's pretty much it. This is the entire camera. We're actually gonna put the batteries in and then see what this thing can do. But wait, where's the slot for the memory card? Am I missing something? I'm so confused. Does it not take a memory card? How is it supposed to take 100 pictures? Is it just internal memory? Oh. So it says 8 megabytes of internal memory. 8 megabytes? What? Dude, 1 photo for me is 8 megabytes. So this is what happens when you're taking pictures. That's how the picture came out. So I guess you really do have to install this software because I plugged in the camera to my computer and nothing happened. So we're kind of forced to do this. Vivitar Experience Image Manager, okay. Okay. This package is incompatible with this version of Mac? Oh my god, then can I not even use it? But I want to experience Vivitar. Contact the manufacturer? What do you want me to do? Send an email to Germany? Oh, I'm about to call them right now. I'm literally calling these people.
Thank you for calling customer support. Your call is very important. your call will be answered.
Why am I doing this to use a camera? Dude, what?
Thanks for calling, Lilith. Please, I can help you today.
Hi, I got the camera and I'm trying to download the pictures, but the CD isn't working because it said I have the latest version of Mac.
I'm so sorry to that. Let me check and help with the information. May I know model number of the product we're talking about?
The Vivicam 54.
For a camera, for this camera, there is no any updated software because for the newer version operating systems like Mac, the one that you're using.
So I can't even use it? I can't download the pictures?
No.
There's no updated image manager?
No.
So should I get an older computer?
I'm sorry, I did not. I mean, what I can do is I can help you with the main office number.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome, and thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Have a good day. Bye. What kind of, I don't even know what to say. Can't download the pictures. He told me straight up, you can't download the pictures. But what I'm gonna do is still go take pictures. I'll show you guys the previews from the camera and we'll just have to do that so we get some pictures out of this. I need a model to get the full experience out of this and all I have is my cat right now, so I got the treats. We gotta bribe her. She doesn't just do this for free. See, you're so lazy. Just okay, stay right there, Pipsy. Look here, girl. Oh, the light is shining so nice on your face. Pipsy, don't embarrass me like this. I have nobody else. Come on. Pipsy. Pipsy, don't do this. So the screen is really laggy. And I feel like you just kind of miss the opportunity to take any picture because it doesn't show you like the live view of it. So it's really hard. If I don't do anything for a couple seconds, it actually shuts off, as you guys just saw. I took 17 pictures. Let's see what they are, because I don't know what they are, to be honest with you. That's the first one. This is the only way I'll be able to show you. So that's kind of what the quality looks like. A lot of these are blurry. It doesn't even really show you where you're shooting. I just feel like I was really randomly just taking pictures, and I mean, like the best one I would say is maybe this one of my cat. At least he's in focus. Before we conclude this investigation, we have to figure out how many photos this camera actually holds because it advertises that it holds over 100 images. So let's see if that really works. Here we go, guys. Let's see how many photos this takes. Okay. The maximum amount that this let me take was 30 images. So do with that what you will, okay? But you guys advertised over 100 pictures. My battery is at 2 bars. I literally used it for less than probably 20 minutes. It already is down a bar out of 3. So that's where we're at in our life with this camera. The last thing I do want to test on this is, do you really lose the images if you take out the batteries? So I took the 30 photos on here. It only let me take 30. And we're gonna see what happens when I try to replace the batteries. What I'm gonna do is just take them out. Because this might happen to some people. I mean, you might be at 1 bar in terms of battery life and you might have to replace your batteries. We're fake replacing the batteries. Is it really gonna delete all the pictures now? Just because I'm replacing the batteries. Let's see. All right, let's see what we did. Okay, you guys are gonna see with me here. We're gonna go to play. Oh my God, it did. Oh, okay, so it does delete the photos if you replace the batteries. All the pictures that I just hustled my cat for are now gone. Whatever, it said in the manual it was gonna do this. Like, why am I acting surprised? But seriously, I've never heard of a camera that just deletes photos when you replace the batteries. Before we continue, a quick message from our sponsor. So let me tell you a couple things about Squarespace. They have an amazing all-in-one platform that's super easy to use, customizable with tons of award-winning designer templates to choose from, and they offer 24-hour customer service support. They have features like appointment scheduling, customizable image galleries, and even email campaigns to engage your audience. So you can take the hassle out of creating the perfect website that fits your needs. So whether you're a photographer like me that needs a portfolio site, or you have a small business, they have something for everyone. You can head to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Jessica to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or a domain. Now let's get back to the video. Here's what doesn't make sense to me. They have a section in the manual, how to save your images when the batteries run low. And they basically say, in this case, you will need to replace the camera's batteries before continuing to take photos. But as you guys can see, when you replace the batteries, it deletes all the photos. So even their instructions, like nothing makes sense. They're telling you something that is just gonna end up deleting all your pictures you know what I mean? This doesn't, I don't get it. I'm not even lying. Zoom in here, guys. Read this right there. It's like it's like the Hunger Games of photography. Like, do you really want your pictures? Okay, let's see how badly you want to keep them. Okay, I mean, I can't imagine the customer service for this camera. They must be getting calls like,
Hello. I took some Christmas pictures with this, and I was wondering why they're now gone from my camera.
Wait, so you're trying to tell me that you wanted to keep the pictures? No, seriously. No, girl, they get deleted. You didn't read the manual, it was on page 763, yeah. Bottom corner, yeah, tiny print there, you need a microscope. You should have seen it, yeah. It's deleted. Nothing we can do. You don't have an iPhone? You thought that you were gonna keep the pic. Oh, that's so cute. Okay.
nothing about this camera makes sense to me. It turns off randomly. It's laggy. You can't even really see what you're shooting. Half of the pictures are blurry. It doesn't give you clear instructions on when you can delete. Like, the only good thing about it is that it's lightweight. That's pretty much it. And you can even download the photos to your computer. So, it's not that great. It's annoying.